Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm your host, Daryle here, bringing you another review on the HIKEP Karaoke Machine. This is once again another product where we will go through, unbox it, and finally do a little sizzle reel / tryout session with singing to give you a full idea of everything that you are getting when you purchase the HIKEP Karaoke Machine. So let's start off with the unboxing, and I don't really have a knife. It's been a while since we've done one of these, but I got a thumbtack, so that's gonna have to do it. All right, thumbtack, beautiful. Let's go. We're just gonna look in here and oh boy, we got ourselves the manual for the HIKEP Karaoke Machine. Here's the AC adapter, beautiful. We got the microphone right here and the aux cable so you can plug up the microphone. And here we got a mini little disco ball so that you can play music with your lights. Oh boy, here we go. Okay, I don't see anything else in the box, so goodbye. Here it is, the karaoke machine. Let us open it up right here. Oh man, this is, I love the travel size. Check this out, guys. Very easy to set up. You just pop it right down there. Turn on the microphone, turn on this, and then you can turn on, oh man, and it's automatically hooking up to the
Bluetooth mode.
Yep, to the Bluetooth. It's automatically hooking up to our Bluetooth since Dylan already connected to it. But it's got a lot of volume, like holy cow. This has got, it gets loud, really loud. It's got its little harness that you can put on it and you can carry it with you. And what's also really cool about this karaoke machine, the USB disco ball light, which is really fun for parties. It's gonna be a blast if you wanna take it anywhere, to a friend's house, a family get together, and it's all super compact. It's even got different settings, playing and pausing your music and things. This is a really loud machine. Like if you were speaking to people and you wanted a way just to project your voice even. This is really cool. We're gonna get into all the details for you right here, and then we will sing for you guys, and then give a final verdict of the product. Here we go. So this is a close-up of the HIKEP Karaoke Bluetooth machine. As you see, this is a truly portable, compact, and sleek unit. You get the microphone, you get the USB little disco light ball, and the AC adapter, and that's all that you need. They also included these really nice straps that you can attach, and just to take it on the go with you a lot easier. This and more create the HIKEP Karaoke Machine. Not only that, but you can actually record your audio clips and save it to a micro SD. You can even use this as a radio. It actually has a radio built in, which is really cool. And you can pause, you can play, and you can go through different music. It's just a really nice design as well. It's really easy to understand, and it even has an onboard battery. You can just plug it up, charge it, and it's ready to go. And of course, you can leave it charged in, but it just truly is a portable and unique unit, coming in at $70. And currently, at the time of this recording, right now on Amazon, you can get it even cheaper, coming in at $41.99, just in time for the holidays. This is a steal of a deal. For friends or family, you can get it also as a present, especially for karaoke fans. Definitely, guys, don't pass up on this deal. Go check it out right now and think about it. You won't regret it. Now back to the review. The quality here is really good. This has an HD stereo sound quality that really brings a full range of stereo sound, strong bass, and a balance that is really nice. And it separates the high and low pitches so that you can hear it clearly, not this buzzy, weird sound. It's just a clear audio. To the gym, to a beach, to an outdoor party, or friends and family, this can go with you anywhere, which is really cool. I also like that it is Bluetooth, so you can hook it up with your phone and you can play music, but even if you don't want to play music, it is so loud that you can just use it as a way to project your voice if you just want to use it as a speaker. Another thing, it also has echo, and it even has bass and treble for your music so that you can have a desired level of sound. With its rechargeable battery, it guarantees the non-stop music all the way up to 6 hours of playtime on the maximum volume, which means that it's really gonna go a long time at full charge. A great party experience. This has been a close-up of the HIKEP Karaoke Machine. We are gonna go and listen to the sound, do a little demo singing, and then finally give our final verdict on the HIKEP Karaoke Machine. When you see me go by, get it. See, you'll remember you belong to me. You'll be back, time will tell. You'll remember that I served you well. And no, don't change the subject, 'cause you're my favorite subject. My sweet, submissive subject. My loyal, royal subject. Forever and ever and ever and ever and ever, I'll never let you go. Losing all control, 'cause there's magic in my bones. I got this feeling in my soul. Go ahead and throw your stones, 'cause there's magic in my bones. My buddies and me are getting real well known. Yeah, the bad guys go us and they leave us alone. Around, I get around, yeah, get around. Woo! It's a good time over here. We gon' make it splash, make it slap, just like hot sea. Going around the city, coming through at a high speed. If I were you, when I done what I done, I'd do what you did when I gave you the ring. And accept what I said. All the dreams you're dreaming seem to lose their meaning. Birthday party, I'm going in it all today, and everything is going great, and I hope it stays that way. I hope so. I don't know though.
Oh, Mario.
So cold, so alone. They're watching wherever I go. I guess I'll have to take a stand. Day by day, still feel so alone. I just want my brother home.
Hey, we are singing right here for your live. This is the HIKEP Karaoke microphone. Oh yeah, it is live. Singing it now, singing it loud. Everybody coming around in the crowd. Woo! Ooh, we got it hooked up in here.
In case you ain't heard, I'm the devil. Real low down, not on the level. They call me Old Scratch, Mr. S, the Big D. I'm the king of the underworld. Yeah, it's great to be me. Healy, 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 healy. I'm Mr. White Christmas. I'm Mr. Snow. I'm Mr. Icicle. I'm Mr. 10 Below. Friends call me Snow Miser. Whatever I touch turns to snow in my clutch. I'm too much.
Oh, hey guys, welcome back. It's me, the one and only Eggman. Take a look at my new stunning, exciting master plan. Unlike last time that fried with my attack against fitness, it is time that I hit you with my Eggomantic hit list. I am the Eggman. Yes, I am the Eggman. The man with the giant plan. So try to run as fast as you can. Get a load of this, little man. Pow, pew, ping, zoom. That's the sound of your doom. No need to look so blue when I send the big boom.
And who got hurt while he faced his dreams? In a way, it sounds familiar. All that I got is a love that won't go away. Even with the words in my mind, baka me tight.
I want to fight, so maybe just listen to me if you do not know my lyrics. If you just want to crush them, blow them into the ground. Yes, I know, but if you are acting impulsive, I'm sorry, my friend, that we will not be around for long. That guy's going to end up dead. Ay, 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 ay. You're going into a fight without a plan.
Hold on, sit tight, don't be in color.
Need this for this.
Don't play that that song, that achy breaky song, I just don't think you'd understand. And if you play that song, that achy breaky song, I might blow up a radio. Ooh. When he sees your dreams, he's on your screens. We don't talk about Bruno, no. Don't make me laugh. Take time. Don't jump ship, can't fight it like taxes. At least it happens only once in your life. They're singing happy birthday, you just want to shout out and cry. Not just another birthday, it's 3090. Why can't you stay 39? Heck, don't you feel like you're 22? 32, 1990, when you're dead. What can you do? What can you do? Whoa! It sounded very bad, let's stop. Even all the heartache, all the crying, even all the hurting like I'm dying. I remember every moment with you and I loved it, everything.
Whoa, here we go. Where it began, inside a Texas roadhouse. I never knew it'd be this good. It was love at first sight. Over the room, glaring like a monocle zoom, I saw the drink of my dreams. My beautiful Sprite, lemon lime, boo, boo, boo. Who never noticed it's good? It's just that good, guys. It's really good. Oh man, where would I be without lemon lime? I'm gonna go get some now.
It's a party up in here.
Oh! Alright, here we go! Oh yeah! Together, everyone, come on, let's have some fun! Together, we're here for each other every time! Come on now! Everyone has to do
So bad. No, it's a lot. The hair, the bod. When you're staring at a demigod, what can I say except you're welcome? For the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demiguy. One's a let's and one is a takeaway. Don't mess with Maui when he's on the breakaway. In the tapestry here on my skin, it's a map of all victories I win. Look at it here, I make everything happen. Look at me, hey! Has lifted, and at last I see the light. Yet the world has somehow shifted. So sad. There's an old saying that the phoenix will rise up from the flame. But this ain't no drama off Broadway or courtroom video game. Now we've run out of chances and this trial's taken too long. So let's end this. So this has been a deep look into the HIKEP karaoke microphone machine. As you can see, this little small sleek package gives you a complete party in one, and it's really cool. May be smaller than most karaoke machines, but don't let that fool you. It packs a punch. It actually shocked me. How much audio and just sound volume this little thing has is insane. Really, what it gives you is something even more. Unlike many other ones that are big, bulky, this HIKEP karaoke machine is sleek, it's small, and it's also easy to take with you. This would be perfect for parties, going to a friend's house, or just hanging out and having a good time. I think that you guys would honestly really enjoy this product, and for something under $100, it's a really good deal. And it's something that gives you a lot of power. It gives a punch. for something so sleek and so small and so portable, which is something that's amazing. The only thing that I would say be very careful with is because it does have so much power, you can sometimes get a little bit of like this staticky sound, and it doesn't always happen, but sometimes you can get a frequency if you play things too loud, so you don't want to burst the actual unit. It's just that powerful. So yeah, I would totally recommend this product. This has been a look and a review at the HIKEP karaoke machine. So anyway, that just about wraps up this review. If you like what you saw or heard, please be sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, or ring that bell to stay up to date whenever we go live or upload a video. And as always, stay awesome, keep the hype alive, and I will see you guys in the next video.